A cabinet committee on security meeting led by Prime Minister Modi was held today at 11 a.m. to discuss next course of action in response to the Pahalgam terror attack. The chiefs of Indian Air Force and Indian Navy briefed Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on the Pahalgam terror attack. Pakistan Air Force has significantly ramped up its military posture along the border with India and deployed its Saab airborne early warning and control aircraft, signaling a state of high alert and anticipation of a potential Indian response. Taiwanese drone manufacturer Drones Vision has denied any collaboration with a Pakistan military-backed company, dispelling reports of a potential deal to supply Revolver 860 combat unmanned aerial vehicles. Chinese media has reported that the J-36 and J-56 generation fighters are exclusively for the Chinese Air Force and Navy, and they are not export products. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has announced that Brahmos missile production in Lucknow will officially commence with the inauguration of the new manufacturing complex on 11th May. The Indian Army has called for significant amendments to the Defence Procurement Manual, highlighting a systemic bias favouring defence public sector undertakings that hampers fair competition with private industry. India's Akash air defence system is competing head-to-head with China's Skydragon 50 for a Brazilian air defence modernization contract. During his visit to New Delhi, US Vice President J.D. Vance has said that the American F-35 will give the Indian Air Force the ability to defend its airspace, and with regular India-US joint military exercises, it's only natural for India to buy more of American defense equipment, including the F-35 fifth-generation fighter jet. A high-level Pentagon delegation is also accompanying US Vice President J.D. Vance to discuss the sale of F-35A stealth fighters to India. The CEO of Lockheed Martin has said that there is an upgrade plan to transform the F-35 into a fifth-generation plus platform that could deliver 80% of the Boeing F-47 sixth-generation capabilities at half the cost, a move that aims to outmaneuver Boeing's F-47 and dominate the international market. The Indian Air Force is actively exploring options to equip its fleet of C-130J Super Hercules transport aircraft with advanced electronic warfare pods that will enable the C-130J to detect, characterize and neutralize enemy radar systems and other electronic warfare threats by employing tailored jamming and spoofing techniques. By characterizing threats in real time and neutralizing them, the C-130J could protect strike packages or support special forces missions in hostile zones. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has announced that Brahmos missile production in Lucknow will officially commence with the inauguration of the new manufacturing complex on the 11th of May. The Brahmos missiles manufactured in Lucknow will not only be used by Indian armed forces, but will also be exported to other countries. Russian scientists will collaborate with Indian teams at the site, and a dedicated railway track is planned for efficient transportation of missiles from the facility. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.